So first I want to go ahead and just take a media bit and go ahead and drill off the existing gel that was already on my nails. And now I'm going in with a cuticle metal bit to just go ahead and clean up around the cuticle area. Now I'm just going to take a light grit filer and just kind of smooth everything over, and then I will begin to buff the nails. Taking some alcohol to clean up the dust, or just go ahead and wash your hands. And now we're going to start the nails. I want to start out with this Mia Secrets bond. So this is what you want to put on before you apply any of your product. Only apply it to the natural nails. Gel brush in the number 6, and then I'm going to take my Builder Gel Lena UV's gel in the color clear and go ahead and apply that as if I would a regular fill-in, and also covering the existing gel to cap the nail. Then you would want to put this in the UV lamp for about 30 seconds. And of course, this is a this is a wipe gel. So you would have to wipe the gel after curing. Next, I'm going to use Elite 99's foundation so I can go ahead and start applying my gel colors. Don't forget to wipe in between each coat because these are not no wipe. Taking Luna Moon's Classic in this beautiful blue color. This is also a soak off, so you just dip it in acetone whenever you're ready to take it off. And I used that white, but I ended up not using it in the end, so it will be coming off because the application did not go too smoothly. to go ahead and take some Swarovskis. I put my top coat on, my gel top coat. I applied my stones, and then I cured. And then I applied another layer of that top coat, and of course cured again. So now you're going to go in with your Sally Hansen cuticle oil to make it so nice, neat, shiny, and healthy. And this is the finished look, you guys. Hope you enjoyed. Please come back.